Hi there folks, just got to do a wee review on a new product that I got recently. As you'll see from the box and the logo on it, it's obviously a LEATHERMAN. This particular one is the MUT, or the military utility tool, in black. So let's give it a wee open and see what we get. So it's done with the box. Set of instructions. Have a look at them later. Now you get this wrench with it, being a tool aimed at military use. You've got at this end here a 4-site adjuster, and then there's a 3/8 closed end wrench on this side. A nice sheath or pouch. Nice and secure made. Holds it nice. Good size belt loop as well. You can attach that onto your belt or a pack or whatever. So, nice and tidy. I think these also come in sort of brownie pattern, coyote or whatever you call it, but that's the black one. Now, as for the tool itself, feels nice and solid. At a weight of 11.2 ounces, which translates into 317.5 grams, I believe. It's pretty much got an all stainless construction, with the exception of that there, which is a bronze scraper for removing carbon from rifles, and a couple of wee bits of plastic there, which just add for retaining tools, etc. But other than that, full stainless construction. When opened, it's a nice solid size. There isn't any play in it. It's nice and tight, which is what we like to see for a tool at this price. You've got removable cutting blades and the wire cutters and the jaws of the pliers, which is good because, well, these things can get dulled, and then if they're fixed on, they're useless. But just an Allen key in here, you can release both blades, swap them out. Material the blades are made out of is 152 cm, which is a really good grade stainless steel. It's been used for years in the knife industry. But that's good to see. Closes reasonably easily as well. A decent knife blade. The only thing I don't like about it is these serrations here, which can prove hard to sharpen. I do prefer a continuous clean edge from ricasso to point, but other than that, It's a nice blade. This is nice and solid as well. Locking in position by means of a liner locker. Just basically move that down, close it, open it, automatically springs into position, so your knife blade is nice and safe. The steel that the knife blade is made out of is 420 HC. Again, another good steel. The blade length is 3 inch or 7.62, which makes it legal in most places, but check your knife laws. But it is a tool, and if it's in relation to your trade, you should have a decent excuse for carrying it. But always be aware of the laws in your particular country or particular state. Closed, it's got a length of 5 inch or 12.7 centimetres. The whole thing's got a black coating as well, which is was nice. Because obviously you don't want a silver one in combat, but the only thing is, if you put a silver one down, it's going to be easier to find than the black one, but hey ho. It's got 18 tools. You've got the 420 HC stainless steel knife. You get the needle nose pliers. You've got the bronze scraper there. A hammer at this end. And this here, at the point there, is a bolt override tool, which, well, I don't own an AR, but if you did, come in handy. You get a wee cutter there. You could use it for anything, box opener, cutting a seat belt, whatever. So nice wee cutting blade in there. Bottle opener. Can't leave home without one. Hammer on this end. And you've got a multitude of tools that can clip into here. These are all double-ended and clip out, nice and secure as well. And they do hold more in these wee side compartments here as well. Now, there's also, you'll see threaded holes here and here. These, and I believe they're also. So these are for attaching cleaning tools, for cleaning firearms. Belt clip there as well. And probably one of the best saws on a Leatherman. Some of them can be quite flimsy, but this one's nice and stout. Your carbon scraper that I was talking about. There is a punch for removing pins on firearms, and as you'll notice, it is in a straight line with the hammer surface, so it can be tapped with a hammer as well. This is removable and can be replaced with cleaning tools for firearms. It's worth noting that the saw also locks into place with the same liner locking facility as the knife blade, so press down to close. When it opens, automatically clips into place. This screwdriver and attachments and that it comes with one located in here, which has got a Phillips at one end and a flathead at the other, and that is removable via pressing and this wee bit here on the side, and pulling, so locks in nice. Now that's a 316 and a number 2 Phillips. That just slots into place. Your other tools are located here and here, but you can get other attachments as well. Now they're locked in place via this. So we sliding bar, moves back and forward. Now on this one here, the only complaint I've got about these is they're bloody murder to get out. But that's a good thing. You see you got a quarter flat head there. And, oh wait, no, that's a number 2, so the other one must be a number 1. So that's your number 2, that's your quarter flat. And you just are located in here. You slide that down, move that bar up. On this side here, you have got you're not going to lose these in a hurry. And so you got a 7/64 Allen key and a number 15 torque, a T15 torque on that side. Now these should correspond with a lot of scope adjustment, well, scope mounts. I don't know what my rifle has, but can't remember the sizes on them, but these should correspond with them. But if not, Leatherman do supply additional bits which will fit these. I don't know if I've missed anything on this. Really impressed with the solidness of it. There is one other thing. You see this wee thing here, just under the hammer and the cutter. That's actually a catch to lock it securely shut, so stop it from opening. To be honest, most people probably wouldn't use that, but aye. But like I said, there's a number of bits that you can aftermarket purchases that you can make for add-ons, etc., especially in relation to the screwdriver attachment. That could be swapped round and any one put in and used like that. So you get a decent bit of reach on there as well. And the hold in pretty secure as well, so there's no, well, there's very little chance of losing stuff. And the jaws are nice and parallel as well. So that's just a wee look at the Leatherman and some of the gadgets on it. It is, like I said, mainly aimed at military and law enforcement, and also shooters as well, but it's a nice handy tool to have in anybody's kit, or as a EDC, with a really nice everyday carry as well. But obviously just check your rules and regulations regarding knife laws in your area. But yeah, so next step, I'll get out and give it a wee try in the field, and probably do a wee bit of something on that. So if you want to see that, hit the like and hit the subscribe button and be kept up to date. Also feel free to leave a comment as well, or comments, if you've got one of these, what's your opinion on it, what's your experience as an owner. And it's always good to see feedback, so like I say, please like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. So on that note, we'll say goodbye and take care, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers folks.